Online marketing is a broad field that encompasses a variety of different tactics and strategies for reaching and engaging with audiences through digital channels. Some of the most common tactics used in online marketing include search engine optimization, SEO. This involves optimizing a website or online content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for relevant keywords and phrases. This can be done through techniques such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. This is a form of advertising where businesses pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Ads can be found on search engines, social media platforms, and other websites. Social media marketing. This involves using social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to reach and engage with audiences. This can include tactics such as creating and sharing content, running social media ads, and engaging with followers and fans. Content marketing. This involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a specific target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, white papers, ebooks, and more. Email marketing. This involves using email to promote products, services, or brands. This can include tactics such as sending newsletters, promotional emails, and transactional emails. Other tactics used in online marketing include affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, and display advertising. The main goal of online marketing is to reach and engage with a target audience in order to drive conversions, such as sales, and build brand awareness.